Hi everyone, it's Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be back with some happy mail that my friend Wanda Sweets had sent to me. She has Wanda Sweets on YouTube and Instagram. I'm sure everyone knows her, but if you don't, I'll leave her information down below. She is so kind to send me this surprise mail, and it's been looking at me all week, so all mail that Wanda sends me should be opened on camera. So here I am finally doing an unboxing, and I'm super excited to show you. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh god, you don't know how hard it was to kind of take a sneak peek of it and not be able to open it. Look how fancy you are with your own little die cut handmade by Wanda. This thing is beautiful. Oh my goodness. These bows are darling and perfection. Oh my god, I need to know how you do these. This little seam binding bow, obsessed. Oh my god. And this little cluster here with the llama, she is sparkling. And I just want to show you, I love this red ribbon. This heart ribbon is darling, and she has this huge foam piece right here as like a mantelpiece with the little heart. Oh my god, so stinking cute. And I have to say, this is my first advent calendar anything, so thank you so much, Wanda. Over here she has like a little shadow box kind of scene, and I love how you created that. I love this die with the layered hugs. So stinking cute. Wow, so pretty. And I love how you use the balls. So pretty. And okay, I'm going to start opening them. So let's start opening number one. Ooh, and in here we have adorable charms that she shared with me. Thank you so much, Wanda. In box number two, ooh, I love these. In one of my faves, my like strawberry candies. Love these. It's like Christmas. Box number three. Ooh, we have these little cute heart buttons. Yay. Love these. Totally use these on like bows or something. Yay. Thank you so much for sharing. Box number four. Ooh, we have this darling sequence mix. And I love these little jars. They're so stinking cute. Love it. Filled with all of the heart goodness. Let's see, box number five. Ooh. Okay, hold on. You sent me wax seals, and I've been dying to try these. Ugh, not like I need another hobby or another craft tunnel that I have to go down, but look how gorgeous these are. Made with love. They're so pretty, and I love this hot pink. So pretty. Thank you. Can't wait to put these on a project. Okay. Oh, this is so much fun. Ooh. I think these are the wax melts. Ooh, thank you to get me started. Box number six. Okay. Box number seven, we've got a little dauber. You can never not have enough of these. Thank you. Box number eight, we have these wooden spools. So cute to alter. Thank you. Let's see. Box number nine, we got a little stamp here. Wood block stamp that says goals 2021 goals. I've got a couple I need to work on myself, but let's get it. Ooh, box number 10, we have these adorable crown beads. Yes, because we are all queens, crafty queens, that is. Okay, box number 11, we got some floral beads. So cute. Thank you. Man, you could fit a lot in these little boxes. Box number 12, we've got this adorable purple butterfly. So stinking cute. Did you make this? Did you buy it? Oh, that's so cute. box number 13. Okay, she was a little tight. Ooh, we have this ribbon. It's like kind of like a natural color with that pink, I don't know what you call that, ruffly trim on the bottom. So stinking cute. Thank you so much. Box number 14. Oh my god, you sent me a bracelet? How pretty is this? Thank you so much, Wanda. Saving the best for last. So pretty. Did you make this? Let me see. Let me inspect this. I'm not sure. But anyways, thank you so much, friend, for all of my goodies. I cannot wait to put this on my little Valentine's Day decoration. I think it's so stinking cute. I know you show this die. I'm like thinking about getting it. So cute. And that is it for my Happy Mail unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.